Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be sharing how I decorated my coffee bar for Halloween. I really like to decorate in themes, that way I can do different styles of decor in each room. So for my coffee bar in my dining room, I chose to do this cute orange and black theme. Most of the items I decorated with are from either Dollar Tree, Walmart, or Target, with the exception of a couple of pieces. I really hope you guys enjoy this decorate with me, and if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up at the end and subscribe for more content. So here are just a few shots of the coffee bar before in its, I guess, normal state. I really wanted some industrial, rustic looking shelves to display different holiday themed decor above the coffee bar. So my husband and I made these shelves during quarantine. They were really easy to make. We just went to Home Depot, got some wood, some stain, and some metal pipes, and this was the result. The coffee bar furniture I picked up from our local swap meet last year, and I just covered the top of it with Dollar Tree contact paper and changed the knobs to the drawers. The bottom shelf we just used to put things that will go in our recycle bin. I started just by removing everything off the top of the coffee bar and then setting it aside. I used this Dollar Tree table runner to set up on top of the coffee bar. I think it's perfect to decorate with for Halloween, and Dollar Tree also sells the throw pillow covers in the same color and design as well, and I'm actually using them on my couch right now. I love Dollar Tree's organizational baskets. They sell them in all different shapes, sizes, and colors, and I recently picked up some of these black baskets, so I thought it would be perfect to use one of them to hold all of my coffee syrups in to match my black and orange theme. And here I'm just transferring my coffee pods from this decorative jar into my jack-o'-lantern candy dish. I was trying to figure out how to fill the blank space between the first shelf and the coffee bar, so I used this Hocus Pocus sign I got from Michael's a few years ago. I just used the hanger it came with and hung it up on the center metal pipe and pushed it back. So I wanted a way to display my favorite fall and Halloween mugs because I don't actually have any sort of coffee mug holder, so I just decided to use this galvanized tiered tray from Hobby Lobby to hold the mugs. Then I just filled in big gaps with decor pieces. I just love this felt garland from Dollar Tree, and the colors were perfect for my theme, so I just had to use it in my coffee bar. Moving on to the first shelf, I got this little creepy tree from the Target dollar spot for $5, and I used a couple of Dollar Tree's glitter back clips to put in the tree. Those little back clips from Dollar Tree are one of my favorite things to decorate with for Halloween, and I get them every single year. I found this little black truck at Walmart this year for under $5, so I had to pick it up, and it is made out of wood. I realized this Dollar Tree trick or treat sign wasn't standing up how I wanted to, so I ended up using a picture frame easel, also from Dollar Tree, to hold it up. I got the Happy Halloween wooden illuminary and mummy coffin at Dollar Tree, and then the black cauldron candy dish at Target Dollar Spot. For the top shelf I used another Dollar Tree sign, but I didn't have another picture easel, so I just used an empty plant pot to prop it up. I also used the tinsel black truck, pumpkin salt and pepper shakers, and a small decor sign from the Dollar Tree, and then a faux book stack from Walmart. Then I just added the finishing touches to the coffee bar, like this little chalkboard sign from the Dollar Tree. I just used inspiration from a sign I saw at Michael's and some chalk pens, and I think this saying goes perfect with the theme and coffee bar. They were just meant to be. I also got some real mini pumpkins from a grocery store and thought they were the perfect size to randomly place throughout. And then I also decided to cover this cookie stick tin with some scrapbooking paper. I just thought it was an extra cute little touch and looked better than the tin that it came in. I didn't want to take down my pictures on each side of the coffee bar, so I tried to figure out a way to incorporate them in the theme, so I just cut a small piece of creepy cloth, draped it over each picture, and then added a spider to each one. Alright guys, so that's it for this coffee bar decorate with me. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It makes me so happy to look at in the morning when I'm drinking my coffee. It just really puts me in a happy mood for the rest of the day. And I hope this video gives you some decorating ideas or inspiration, and if it does, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up down below. And also subscribe if you want to see more decorating videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.